Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, May 20th, 2014. It's now 2:54 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were all down today, with the Dow Jones leading the way. The S&P was down. Pricing remains in the consolidation rectangle. This is the area highlighted in light blue. We also see that pricing closed in a doji for the second day in a row. We remain in a long-term uptrend channel. Support is at 1807 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 1922 as seen by the pink oval. The NASDAQ also closed down. Price remains in the short-term uptrend channel. We can see higher highs and higher lows. Our next target is 37.39. The US dollar managed to close up a penny. Price remains just above the downtrend channel. Support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, May 20th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 2 strong currencies and 2 weak currencies. The qualified pairs are the CAD Swiss franc, the Euro Canadian dollar, the Swiss franc yen, and the Euro yen. And here's our trade summary chart for May. For open trades, the Aussie dollar Swiss franc trade is closed. Our stop loss was hit. The Euro yen trade opened and we're short 5 micros. Target number 1 is 137.85 and our stop loss is at 140.37. For new orders, no new orders were placed. Let's first look at the price chart for our recently closed trade on the Aussie dollar Swiss franc. As you can see, our stop loss was hit and the trade is now closed. Here's the price chart for our newly opened trade on the Euro yen. We sold 5 micros at 138.67. Target number 1 is 137.85 and our stop loss is at 140.37. Let's now look at the price charts for our other 3 qualified pairs. Here's the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. We're in a short-term uptrend channel. This would be a bullish trade. Here's the Euro Canadian dollar. This has been in a medium-term downtrend channel. We just broke through the bottom of the long-term channel. This would be a bearish trade. And our last qualified pair is the Swiss franc yen. This has been in a long-term uptrend channel. Price is sitting right at the bottom of the channel. It should be a bearish trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies, and 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are 2 indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.